Hi guys, this is Tanishka and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So yes, finally I have done a Diwali makeup look. Yes, I've been very lazy but no matter, I'm here. So I really hope you guys like it and a very happy Diwali to all of you. It's festive season. It's just so nice just to be filming this look. It feels so great. So yes, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. First things first, I am taking my Farsali oils for skin prep using my hands, patting it on the skin. And to cancel out any darkness, I'm using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer underneath my eyes and some on the bridge of my nose. Before going in with my concealer brush and dabbing it, just pressing it into the skin. For foundation, I'm taking my MAC Pro Longwear foundation in the shade NC25, yes, and I'm just randomly dotting it on my face, very randomly. Before going in with my stippling brush from Smashbox, this one is really great. Like, I've never gone back to my beauty blender. This is so good. And my next favorite Smashbox product is this Studio Fix foundation stick, which I generally use for cream contour. For my nose, I use a brush, and I haven't fast forwarded this clip because I really wanted to let you guys know how I do it. So I make these two lines very close to each other to give my nose a very slim looking effect. So yeah. For highlighting, I'm using my Bobbi Brown concealer in the shade Ivory and just doing the usual underneath my eyes on the bridge of my nose, and that's how we blend. Just putting some loose powder before we go on to the eye makeup, and for that I'm putting this dark green eyeshadow on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye because we are going to do halo eyes today. So yeah, and with whatever left on the brush, I'm actually trying to connect it in the middle with a very light hand. Now taking a clean brush to blending all the edges out, and I'm using a concealer to actually draw a line so that the center of the eye is very precise, and then filling it in. And while the concealer is still wet, I'm using my fingers to blend it with the eyeshadow. This is a very crucial step in the halo eyes. You gotta do it while it's still wet, otherwise it's just so hard to blend it out. Yeah, so when that's done, I'm putting a copper shade in the middle. And I'm putting an olive green shade between the copper and the green just to blend those two out, and I quickly added my falsies and some liner off camera before going in with eyebrows. Now I'm just dusting the bake off to finish the rest of my base. For bronzer, I'm taking my trusty MAC Aladdin bronzer and going in with the lighter strokes. And for blush, I'm using my MAC again, Pinch Me. You guys know I love it. I'm just doing the usual apple of my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm taking my trusty again Marie Luminizer from Balm Cosmetics, and this gives such a beautiful subtle glow. I love it. Tip of my nose and my chin. Now I'm taking my Bonjour Paris eyeshadow stick to smoke out my lower lash line and this lipstick from ABH in the shade Kiss, I believe, and this eyeshadow pencil is so great, looking so nice. And this is the look, but I just felt something is missing, so I quickly added a bindi. And yes, now this is the final look. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you all have a great Diwali, have a safe Diwali, have a cracker free Diwali. And yes, I'll see you super soon with another video. Till then, take care and happy Diwali everyone.